actually gonna start playing next round. Just to
Bro, this red guy is good.
Even more. Fuck, my balls are still hurting. You know what? You tag them. I gotta take a break.
Up again.
You know what?
Yeah, I might just spit out.
Oh! Yeah, I'm just...
Bro, who can elevate a clone,
You
yeah?
serious?
Who can elevate a clone?
Hold on.
Holy, I hit my shit hard.
Bro.
Cut off. Yippee. I hit my nuts. Don't come after me.
I wish it was a little bit small. Hey, Dad! Yo, scrims, watching scrims. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Do I have someone on my ass?
Bro.
Someone check for me, please. I don't want to turn around right now.
It's scrims.
Okay, I have someone on my ass. I don't know how to turn around. Is it like a pit again? Oh no, it isn't. I'll play less easy.
Banning a whole comp lobby. Yo, what? What? No. Wait, can I just see? You'll be falling in love. Today we're gonna be banning a whole comp lobby.
Shut up. You're not banning shit.
No, today we're gonna be banning.
I can't catch a break.
How many times are you gonna say that?
Hello, bro. Today we're gonna be.
Dude, I can't catch a break. I've been in 6 different codes. I even restarted my game. Every single time the round ends, I've been at first. Every time.
Really?
I can't catch a break.
Really?
I just want to run.
Really? No way,
Holy.
No way. He's been first every round.
Really? Look at that. I'm amazing.
Nah, my bear is.
Damn.
You take that.
Dude, I swear to God, I'm about to be it again. I'm not trolling. I swear I'm not trolling.
On baby.
No,
Not on baby. I love my
Do you
baby.
believe me or not? Do you like actually believe me?
I believe you. That shit's crazy.
I
You just
listened to
talking about
7
it
times
first
now.
again.
Bro.
Yeah, you're not gonna tag me. 'Cause I'm goated at this game. Like, look at this. Ankle's literally broken. Like, I literally just broke your ankle.
Nah, bro. Nah, ankle's literally broken.
Literally, you just snapped
Get
your
off
ankle
my
in half.
ass.
Oh no, literally you're gone. Your ankles are literally gone. Your ankles are literally in my bag. Get him. Why is that getting cold? Why is that getting cold, bullies? Oh my god, why is this getting cold, bullies?
Where are you in comp lobbies?
Huh? Because I'm the best of players, bro. I'm PPP
Kid your
Tig.
ass. Calm the fuck down.
I'm PPP Tig, bro. Shut up. Like, look
Holy,
at
I'm
my
the
wall
best
running.
player.
Like, look at this wall run. Whoa.
Did you see that? I'm actually the best player.
No, bro, look at my wall running. Ready? Watch this. Watch
I'm
this.
top one.
Ready?
For real, for real.
I'm the best at wall running. Like, look at this wall run. Like, literally the best at wall
You don't
running.
want to see my wall
Is that why I get it again, right?
Bro, what is that, bro? Look at my wall running, bro. Look at this.
I'm literally top one.
Look at my wall
Oh,
running,
nah,
bro.
buddy. My
Look
wall
at that,
speed is
bro.
the best.
No, bro, you're doing it wrong. You're like this. Oh, look at my wall running,
damn.
bro.
They don't go like this. Oh, fuck.
Thank God. There's no way I'm it again, right?
Oh, okay, so...
I'm not it. I'm not it.
What the fuck?
Oh my.
For real. Like that.
I'm not the one that tagged you, but
Not this.
Spin your arms around like this.
I'm not
like
it.
this. Like this?
You're not it. I'm proud of you.
Look, I'm not it.
Whoa, I'm proud of you, buddy. You're finally not it. Exactly. Be proud of me.
Watch me get tagged first.
I'm gonna laugh my
Dude,
ass.
I would actually quit the game forever.
Oh my god.
I thought I was gonna do that multiple times.
Oh my god.
Holy. Wings. Wings on the back. Just say your ass now.
What?
Just say it.
Kill yourself.
You should done this game, bro.
Just kill yourself.
Oh, what the frick?
I have a level 10 diamond. I'm leaving, guys. I'm gonna get tagged by this guy. I'm leaving. 1 minute.
It's because of that, Walla. It's because of that. The baby
No, how did I mess that up so bad? I ran him on ground. too.
it's because of that, Walla. LeBron James watching
I'm able to do that, but I'm not able to.
I want to be ninja. Are you a PC player? Yo, chill, bro. What did I do?
Watch out behind you.
Oh no, that's freaking Bart speed boost,
What are
bro.
these- What are these attempted tags? Holy. Just trying to tag me in the weirdest way.
Who, me? That kid?
What's
Yeah,
the...
that was crazy, that.
That is not... How did you tag me on the
I
wall?
was trying to tag you only when you were like low.
What?
Hi, buddy.
That was Bart, bro. I said Bart.
You wanna swim?
Oh my god, my penny.
That's not how you pull out bark, buddy. He's doing this.
Holy.
I keep stopping it and it said enter.
Bark. Bark more menu.
Filthy monkey, you can't even use jujitsu.
Do this.
Get over here. Yo! The ground just stopped.
Good.
Someone get him. Wow, you're ahead of him. Help me. I lost my speed boost.
Hi. I tagged
Alright, now I'm back.
I tagged you.
Were you the guy chasing Pink? Or were you only trying to tag him when he was down low? Chase him.
I'm very fast.
Like a real man.
I am trying to chase Pink.
I'm very
Huh?
fast. Don't forget. I'm not that good at walls.
You're slow. I just ran you on ground, bud.
Well, I'll actually tag you right there.
How was Pink not
Okay,
tagged?
race me. Let's see how fast you are. Come on, buddy. To that wall right there. 3,
Okay.
2, 1, go.
How was the Pink one guy not tagged?
I won.
Cause I'm cooler.
What do you mean I won?
'Cause
I literally see you on my screen behind my ass. And I gave you a head start.
Stop lying.
I literally saw your ass on my screen behind me, and I gave you a head start, bud. Calm the fuck down.
You're literally lying.
I bet. Go again. This time I won't give you a head start.
What you doing?
Come on.
I'm missing this kid. He thinks he's faster than me.
Can I join? I know I'll lose, but can I join?
Basically,
I give him a head start when I saw him behind my ass, but... Okay. 3,
oh
Oh my
god.
god.
Long jump.
1, go.
Oh, I know. I was right behind you.
Yes, I gave you a head start last time. What do you think?
Why is Bro pinch climbing? Why was he just pinch climb the whole
Pinch
of the
climb.
tall
So
thing?
I'm sick.
I love the pinch
He's just
climb.
gone like, he's just gone like,
Yes, yes you are, man.
Alright, thanks.
Pink, you can run in the lobby for phase now, bro.
I'm doing it.
Do doing it. No.
Sorry for ground
But
control.
how'd you get the run?
What?
Oh. How'd you get the run?
I'm Sigma.
What?
Oh no.
Oh. Where is it?
He's a sick boy. Heal.
Bye. Bye.
Where am I controlling?
What, for not tagging me?
No way. These controllers keep bugging out. No, they randomly keep disconnecting.
Oh no! You actually punched the tree.
I hate you.
And then I was here, and then I saved you out of the way.
Yeah, you DC tagged me.
Look,
That's why they're disconnecting. No, you're not.
oh, I messed up. I hit one. Oh my god. I'm out of the
My double walls are Sigma. Don't go on doubles.